Good morning. I'm going to count the numbers for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If we count by tens, we have 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. When we describe things, we say, this is a crayon. If you have 2 or 3 or 4 or any more, you're going to say, these are markers. You can also say, I see a backpack. This girl is reading. So you can say, I read at school. Here's our alphabet song. I will sing it to you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Here we have A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says F, F says F, G says G, H says H, I says I, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says M, N says N, O says ah. Here's the review of things that we do. Read, I read at school. Write, I write at school. Draw, I draw at school. Apple, apple. That's repeat. I repeat my teacher at school. Think, I think at school. Raise, I raise my hand at school. Ask, I ask questions at school. This is the letter S. We can say this is or these are. This is a snake. This is the sun. This is soap. This is a snowman. These are socks. These are swings. This is Superman. This is SpongeBob. This is school. These are scissors. Here's the letter T. It says the sound T. This is a turtle. These are teeth. When you have one, you would say tooth. But when you have 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7, you are going to say teeth. This is a teacher. This is a table. This is a tiger. This is a train. This is a tree. These are toys. This is a truck. This is a tent. The next new thing that we're going to talk about are pronouns. If we don't know somebody's name, we use pronouns. So if there's one person, I or me, you is one person. So there's me and there's you. Or you can say he for boy, she for a girl, or it. If you have more than two people, if I am included, we would say we. Or you could be more than two people. So this is me and this is you. Or they. So this is you and I or me, and they are over there. There's 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3. I, we. You, one person. You, more than one person. She, he, it, they, two people.